Hi, I'm Keith, a technician with USACLEAN for over 11 years, and this beauty right here is a floorcare.biz x15B auto scrubber. Now in these short video series, we're going to show you how to properly maintain this machine to minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so we need to replace your pad driver or your brush. Now it's very simple. First step, drain the solution tank or the recovery tank. First thing. You don't want to make a big old mess. Next step, tilt the machine back like we have right here. We've already went and done that. Grab your brush or pad driver and rotate it, and then it just comes right off the gimbal. Now get your new one. To install it, just do it the opposite way. Put it back on the gimbal and rotate it back, and it locks right into place, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at usaclean.com. Stay safe and thanks for watching.